What is Global English? Global English is a simplified version of the English language. It is a set of rules for writing globally. It is also known as International English or World English. Good writing is universally judged by clarity, consistency, and how engaging it is. But Global English is especially important for how it can be understood across the world. It affects sentence structure, word order, and even verb tense. Its goal is to make writing in English less ambiguous. What is the difference between Standard English and Global English? The Standard English that native speakers use has a lot of saying and idioms that can be difficult to translate across the world. This can make understanding written native or Standard English quite difficult. There are lots of unique grammar features and even some challenging tense such as the passive voice. Why is Global English useful? Global English is useful because it's extremely clear. It is often used by translators as it makes sure that the version of English used will be understood by anyone who can speak it. Its usefulness has increased as English has become increasingly spoken around the world. It is no longer just spoken by native English speakers. People in India, Japan, the Philippines, and just about anywhere else you can think of speak English as a second language. This is actually the large group of English speakers, so it's no wonder Global English has become more popular. It has an impact on pronunciation, as there are so many different variants of English around. Knowing which way to pronounce words as a non-native speaker can be challenging. Native accent can sometimes make learning English more difficult, so Global English can be helpful with pronunciation too. Why is Global English useful to ESL teachers? Depending on where you're from in the world, Standard English may come more natural when you're teaching your class, but making an effort to teach using Global English can have lots of benefits, especially if you plan on teaching all over the world. Native English isn't regarded as the model for learning English anymore. Global English is said to be a step towards reaching global communication. As an ESL teacher, this might be a key goal you're hoping to work toward. It's really important for when non-native speakers want to talk to each other. This removes the needs for imitating accent of English-speaking countries and allow the focus and emphasis to be placed on understanding. There are some specific ESL of TFL courses on Global English that some ESL teachers may have chosen to take or study. English isn't just the classroom, it's a life skill. As the world is diverse, Global English help build the bridge between cultural difference. What are the key features of Global English? There are a lot of rules for writing globally, but here are a few of the key features. 1. Consistent word order. 2. Short sentence. 3. No passive voice use. 4. No figurative language. And 5. Logical and literal words. Things to remember about Global English. It's not a literal translation to other language, as all languages are so different it can be one. It should still sound natural to a native speaker. There is misconception that it might sound stilted or stiff, but if it does, then it isn't good global writing. It is written with the audience in mind so anyone can understand it rather than over-formalizing it. Plus, research for teaching Global English. We don't have specific research on Global English as it is the choice of the ESL teacher what style of English they would like to teach. You might want to look into Global English as a stylistic technique to teach your class with. This is especially useful if your students are finding learning English difficult, or maybe you done a specific global English course. English is a challenging language to grasp, and global English can help make it easier. Way to boost your body immune. No supplement, diet, or lifestyle modification. Aside from physical distancing, also known as social distancing, and practicing proper hygiene, can protect you from developing COVID-19. The strategies outlined below may boost your immune health, but they don't protect specifically against COVID-19. If you want to boost your immune health, you may wonder how to help your body fight off illness. While bolstering your immunity is easier said than done. Several dietary and lifestyle changes may strengthen your body's natural defense and help you fight harmful pathogens or disease-causing organisms. Eat more whole plant foods. Whole plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich in nutrients and antioxidants. They may give you an upper hand against harmful pathogens. The antioxidants in this food help decrease inflammation by combating unstable compounds called free radicals, which can cause inflammation when they build up in your body in high level. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, and certain cancer. Meanwhile, the fiber in plant food feed your gut microbiome, are the community of healthy bacteria in your gut. A robust gut microbiome can improve your immunity and help keep harmful pathogens from entering your body via your digestive tract. Furthermore, fruit and vegetables are rich in nutrients like vitamin C, which may reduce the duration of the common cold.